So we ran our diagnostics. We got a percentage. We did the math. We know where we should probably start our investigation process on the roof. We headed up to the roof, and where are we checking first? Between the 7th and the 8th panel. Look at that. This image is literally between the 7th and the 8th panel. Without even having to lift a single module, we were able to visually find this fault. Now, it's not always this easy, but this is just a really great example that can show you the tools you have at your disposal, the electronics that are available to really save you time on site and to really help with the troubleshooting process. We have, with our isolation test on the inverter and with our visual inspection, we have successfully located the fault. Now it's time to repair the fault. So now that we have located the fault, right, visual inspection, and after running our isolation test, doing our diagnostics within the inverter, it is time to discuss repairing the fault.